I've checked out a lot of smaller weekend travel and EDC bags this year, but these are my absolute favorite backpacks under 20 liters. Each of these bags has a dedicated review video, and you will be able to find those links in the description and throughout this video. Also, if you want to snag one of these bags, be sure to use the affiliate links, which you'll also be able to find in the description, as it helps out the channel. And let's kick things off with the Able Carry 13 Daybag, which is going to be the smallest bag on today's list, and the reason I chose to include this backpack is its unique aesthetic. I love the way Able Carry bags look. They have a really distinct turtle shell silhouette, which is a beautiful design in my opinion. So the 13 Daybag comes in at 17.7 inches by 10.6 inches by 6.7 inches with a capacity of 13 liters. The bag comes in a 210D ripstop Cordura nylon version, like the one we are looking at here, as well as an X-Pack version. There are two colorways for the Cordura one, black and tan, and they each weigh 1.4 pounds. The X-Pack version comes in three colorways, black, navy blue, and olive green, and those weigh 1.5 pounds. All of the bags feature YKK zippers and Duraflex hardware. They are all coated with a durable water repellent. The Cordura version comes in at $149 US, and the X-Pack version comes in at $179. Next up is the Aer City Pack. And the reason I chose this bag to be part of this year-end list is its functionality. Aer did a great job designing the smaller pockets of this bag, finding a distinct place for all of your everyday carry needs. The organization on this thing is next level, and it's so well thought out. On top of that, it is extremely comfortable to carry, even when it's packed out with all of your heavier tech items. So the City Pack comes in at 18 inches, by 12 inches by 4 inches with a capacity of 14 liters, and it weighs 2.5 pounds. The bag is made with a 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon and features YKK zippers and Duraflex plastic hardware. The bag comes in three colorways, the black one we are looking at here, as well as a gray and an olive version, and the Aer City Pack retails for $149 US. And then lastly, we have the Duration Pack from Pioneer Carry, which honestly, this might be my favorite bag of the year. I chose to include this bag on my list because of its durable construction and simple yet intentional design. This bag is premium, which you will pay for, but it's a price that I think is fully worth it. With only 4 pockets, the bag is very minimalistic, but every pocket works great for something specific. Be it a computer, your clothes, a toiletry bag, or your travel accessories. And for me, when it comes to minimalist packing, bringing only what you need is the key. And this is the bag that will help you do just that. There's no fluff, and I love that. So the Duration Pack comes in at 17 inches by 11 inches by 8 inches with a capacity of 18 liters, and it weighs 2.1 pounds. The bag is made with a Mandarin 840D strong woven nylon, and it features these really chunky, large YKK Vislon zippers. The bag comes in this single black colorway and retails for a luxury price of $315 US. So those are going to be my favorite backpacks under 20 liters for this year. What do you think of this list? Would you add or subtract any of these bags on yours? And if you aren't already, be sure to subscribe for some more year-end videos, as well as some upcoming bag reviews, including the Metro backpack from Alpaca. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.